Let's see how you build a job portal feature in Appy Pie. Open Add Features. Search for Job Portal and select it. It's a hiring marketplace built into your app. Job Portal is now part of your app, ready to configure. Open Manage Job Portal to step into the admin panel. This is where you run the portal. Let's walk the left and AV. Dashboard is your at-a-glance view, total jobs, applied users, seekers, and providers. Plus latest jobs, popular jobs, and your latest applications. You'll come back here to check activity. Next, jobs. Two sub-items here, Manage Jobs and Manage Attribute. Manage Jobs is where you add and edit job listings. Right now it's empty, your first listing starts from here. Manage Attribute is where listings get their building blocks. Skills, benefits, qualifications, and job type each is its own editable tab. Usually, you configure Manage Attribute first. Every listing draws from these values. The defaults give you a head start, extend or replace as you grow. Up next, Applied Users. Every job application that comes in lands here: applicant info, resume, and status. Users splits into job seekers and job providers, the two sides of any job portal. Job seekers are the people applying for work. Job providers are the companies posting roles. Add either manually, or let them sign up themselves. Company stores every employer that posts jobs. Each listing links back to a company here. So add the company first, listings reference it. And finally, General Settings. Configuration Settings has the toggles, auto-approve providers and email verification. Language Settings translates every string the app surfaces. App Icon Settings brand the job provider app name, icon, and splash. Last one, CMS page, is for your terms and privacy policy. That's the job portal feature in Appy Pie. Stay tuned.